What's up, you guys? Today we got a taillight install. Let's go ahead and check those out today. Alright guys, so here they are. Molded Innovation Spec D taillights. It is raining right now, so I'm partially in the garage, partially outside. Car's super dirty. But here they are, they look so nice. Both taillights and each resistor. Alright, let's go ahead and start uninstalling the OEM taillights. Gotta take off this fabric, that fabric, and then we'll take off the bolts. Alright guys, so both sides are off now. I think I've taken these off at least 3 or 4 times this month already. I just stopped putting them on. So you can take off these 3 bolts on them. Alright, just make sure you be careful with all of the wires and all the bolts, not to strip anything. Alright, both sides. Alright, after you got all your nuts off, go ahead and unplug them. After you unplug it, you're going to want to start pulling out the headlight. After that, you're going to put the new headlight back on. Connect all the wires, bolt everything down. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off and I'll show you guys the after product. Alright, taillights are off, new taillights are on. I'm going to go ahead and put all the fabric on both sides back together, all the trunk pieces back together, and then I'll pull the car out and put the brake lights on. Alright, I got all the trim pieces back in, all the mats and flooring. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, and then I will show you what they look like. Alright guys, so that's what they look like. They look so clean, especially with the Cyclops Molded Innovations brake light as well. I do have headlights for this car. I'm just waiting for some other parts before I do the headlights because I want to do all of that at one time. I do run FactionFab coilovers on here. I definitely did not make an install video for that because that was my first time doing coilovers. But Fitman looks good. Leave a like on the video if you like the video, especially if you like these taillights. These taillights look so clean.